Hey everyone, welcome back to S Nexus TV. Today, we're diving into a new level of foldable tech with the Huawei Mate X3, a phone that's pushing the boundaries as Huawei's first mass-produced triple-fold smartphone. If you thought foldables couldn't get any more unique, this one just might change your mind. Let's start with the design, because, wow, Huawei's got something slim and stylish here. The Mate X3 is built to impress with its quad-curve foldable design. It's slim and lightweight, which is pretty incredible for a triple-fold phone. And then there's the anti-fingerprint Feather-Sand Glass with this microcrystalline structure that adds a polished, matte finish, perfect for keeping those fingerprints away. Huawei even gives us a vegan leather version with this ultra-thin, textured layer that feels as good as it looks. It's kind of the best of both worlds, futuristic design with a premium feel. Now, let's talk about durability, because a foldable needs it more than most. The Mate X3 has Kunlun Glass 3 that's built to handle bumps and scratches. And for those rainy days, it's got an IPX8 rating that'll survive a splash. You can even use the touchscreen while it's wet. No more worrying about keeping the phone dry when you're out in a drizzle. Just scroll on, no hassle at all. One of my favorite features is how Huawei kept the experience smooth across both screens. Whether you're using it folded or unfolded, you're getting the same great views on both screens. Imagine switching from a quick one-handed reply to a full-screen video with zero compromise. Everything's just smooth and visually stunning. Being a foldable, the Mate X3 doesn't just rely on cool looks. It's packed with some smart innovations. Huawei's made sure it's not just another foldable, but a phone with practical enhancements that make a difference in everyday use. And powering all this is Huawei's Ultra Vision X-Mage camera that's designed to deliver top-notch photos. So, whether you're snapping wide-angle shots or close-up details, you're covered. Plus, with Huawei's performance capabilities, it can handle multitasking like a pro. No lagging, just pure power. To sum it up, the Huawei Mate X3 is not just another foldable. It's a redefinition of what foldable phones can be. Stylish design, durable features, and powerful performance. This phone truly has it all. So, what do you think? Could this be the foldable you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to S Nexus TV for more reviews like this. See you in the next one.